Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're beginning by positioning and powering the extender so it can talk to both router and devices. First, plug the unit in near the router, then move it later once setup finishes. You want a strong initial link. Once powered, watch the LED for boot completion. If it hangs, hold reset for 10 seconds to start fresh. Now, on your phone or laptop, open Wi-Fi settings and connect to the extender's temporary SSID named in the manual, so you can access its configuration page. You'll now tell the extender which router to extend and how. Open a browser to the setup address shown in the manual or the device IP. Log in with the default admin credentials, then change that password later. Scan for your router's SSID, choose it, and enter the router Wi-Fi password so the extender can join. Decide whether to copy the router SSID or create a distinct one. Once you set WPA2 or WPA3 security and hit apply, the extender will connect and reboot to join the network. Finish by placing the extender halfway between router and the dead zone, then verify the LED shows a stable extended connection and sufficient signal strength. Next, connect a phone or laptop to the extended SSID and perform a quick speed and ping test to confirm the improvement. Make sure roaming between router and extender is seamless for your devices. If performance is poor, power cycle router and extender, try a different outlet, update extender firmware, or reconfigure security settings. Those steps resolve most connectivity problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.